Alright, gonna give it a go today. Go ahead and apologize ahead of time. I may just have to do away with the music and work on some graphics and text on it because the wind is so strong today it'll be hard to watch, I'm sure. But I have some new equipment ordered, some mics with some wind guards and some different holders and stuff like that. So maybe the more I do it, the more I learn, we'll get a few more things to help. But so today will be a challenge, all this wind. It'll be me and Mr. Yates and Rodney Terry. I'll try to video as much of them as I can also, but with just one camera, it'll be hard to get every shot. But we'll see what we can do and keep trying to get better. Any advice, let's have it. And everybody asks me all the time here lately, how am I playing this cold weather? This cover from Ace Golf Carts and that heater right there makes it to where I can stand it. So that's what I do, but the cover is the best money I've ever spent on golf stuff, believe it or not. So if you got your own cart, get you one of these covers, some Ace Golf Cart covers. They're worth every penny. All right, let's see how we do. Damn, I got away with it.
I think that's a...
Appreciate it. Fire away. See if you can do a little bit better than I did.
I'm trying not to bring it back outside and cut it. Trying not to do it.
Very good ball. Right around the corner, this little dog leg par 4. He says that's the best ball he's hit with that new club. Since we'll give a little backstory, Johnny gets really excited. Hold up, Rodro. Mr. Yates, at 72 years old, still gets really excited when we're going on a trip. Come out, get in his truck, realized he forgot his keys, so he laid his bag, set his bag behind his vehicle, went and got the keys, backed over his golf bag, broke putter, driver, 3-wood. And it's been a week or two getting everything back in line for him.
I've never been the same.
He ain't been the same since. Got Rodney Terry here.
All East Lawrence know Rodney.
Good ball, Rodney. You beat on that one.
Most of West Morgan.
And all of Moulton. Because I wasn't able to cut the corner, hit it straight. It goes all the way through the fairway. It didn't really get me in bad trouble, but left me with a lot longer shot than I had if I could have cut that. Pretty good ball there, Mr. Yates. Kind of got a break here. I didn't carry the tree, but it went right through it. This is true what Pop always says, Johnny. That tree's 80% air. Got 178 left in on this par 5 here. I'm gonna try to knock the 5-iron up there. Touch short. All right, come just a little bit short on the par 5 here. See if we can't chip this in for eagle, or at least get it close enough to make us a tap in bird. Hey, what's the odds, Johnny?
Keep your toe down.
Did not take advantage of the downwind par 5. See if we can't get something close up for Johnny. Tap it in for me.
Shot.
Ought to be able to make it, but all right, Rich Yates makes this hole in one. He's going to take off running to the green and start taking things off as he gets down there. If it's enough, he may have a chance. Went a little short. I said that, Mr. Yates, tell us, how many hole in ones do you have in your career?
You.
Tell us the number.
16.
16. He's tied with Tudor. Rodney could get his, how many would this be? 3, Rodney?
Yeah.
Could be Rodney's 3rd one here. Good shot. It's not turning toward the flag enough. Side note, Marty has 0 hole in one. Got it right here on the collar. Let's see if I can't make a doggone putt. All right, 366 yard par 4, number 7. Still 2 over. I ain't got nothing back from that double I made on 2 yet. See if we can't get up here and get one back on this hole. Good start, a little short-sighted. Gonna give y'all some more of Mr. Yates playing today if he can keep his language under control. I think a man been an administrator as long as he had to be able to do that. Good ball. Good ball. All right, let's Rodney beat on this thing here. He'll be 40 yards past me. Man, yeah, good ball, Rodney. Got a good opportunity here after one of the better drives I've hit today. See if I can't get this close. Downwind, I had no spin on it, so it got a little bit further away than I wanted to be. Not further than I wanted that to be. take a drop after that terrible shot that I hit the water on this par 3 here. Too bad. All right, see if we can't get one here and keep making another double. Oh, Rodney. Throttle back to keep him going in the ditch here. All right, I need to do something special here after a second double bogey of the day.
A little closer than I wanted.
See if I can't.
The other day I hit a 3-wood here with about the same wind. If I hit one in the ditch, it don't count, but I can't hit it.
Ron always said if you don't mean to do it, don't count. Took it too easy thinking I was going to get in that ditch up there, and I come up way short. I could have hit that ball a little bit better. I did not give the wind enough credit on them last 2 shots on this hole. See if we can't get it close enough on this par 5, maybe get us a birdie. Get at least one of them 3 back. Or put a giveaway. All right, we're going to make that